Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today we're diving deep into the exciting world of portable videography and exploring a revolutionary piece of technology that is bound to change the game for mobile filmmakers. The DJI Osmo Pocket. 4. Introduction to the DJI Osmo Pocket. 4. Imagine holding a full-featured, professional-quality video camera that fits comfortably into your jacket pocket. This is the vision DJI is bringing to life with the highly anticipated Osmo Pocket 4. While DJI has kept most details under wraps, insider leaks and persistent rumors paint a picture of a device that will redefine portable filmmaking for vloggers, travelers, and content creators. The ultimate compact camera for creators. If you've been a fan of the Osmo Pocket series, you'll be pleased to know that DJI is staying true to its roots. Portability is still at the forefront of the Pocket 4. However, it's not just a smaller version of the previous models. The Pocket 4 is expected to feature a slightly larger frame to accommodate upgraded internal components. Despite this increase in size, the device is still incredibly lightweight, weighing only 190 grams, making it the perfect tool for anyone on the move. Enhanced display for seamless operation. One of the biggest improvements comes in the form of the display. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to have a 2.5-inch OLED rotating touchscreen. This larger, more vibrant screen promises a smoother user experience and improved visibility even under the harshest sunlight, with a resolution of 480 x 800 pixels and a peak brightness of 800 nits. For outdoor creators, this is a game changer, making it far easier to frame your shots on the go. Ergonomics and handling. A step forward, DJI has reportedly refined the ergonomics of the Pocket 4, making it even more comfortable to use. The new, contoured grip and better placed buttons will make handling the device with one hand a breeze. For vloggers who capture spontaneous footage without a tripod, this ergonomic upgrade could be a significant improvement to the overall user experience. Color. Science and HDR for cinematic quality. The color capabilities of the Osmo Pocket 4 are also getting a major boost. Early reports suggest that the camera will support 10-bit color depth and full HDR recording. These enhancements allow for greater flexibility in post-production, providing filmmakers with more control over their color grading and enabling them to create vivid cinematic footage directly from the device. Slow-motion capabilities that will amaze. For those who love slow-motion videography, the Osmo Pocket 4 might be your new best friend. The Pocket 3 could capture 4K footage at 120 frames per second, but the Pocket 4 is expected to double that, reaching an impressive 240 frames per second at 4K resolution. This opens up new possibilities for ultra-smooth slow-motion sequences, allowing you to turn even the most mundane moments into breathtaking cinematic shots. Unmatched stability for smooth footage, as expected from DJI. The Osmo Pocket 4 is likely to come equipped with an upgraded 3-axis mechanical gimbal, combined with enhanced electronic stabilization algorithms. This combination ensures that your footage remains steady, no matter the conditions. Whether you're running through a busy city or hiking up a mountain trail, you can expect incredibly smooth video without the typical shakes that come with handheld shooting. AI-powered Active Track 7.0 and advanced autofocus, the Osmo Pocket 4 will likely debut with DJI's new Active Track 7.0, an AI-powered system that tracks your subject with even greater accuracy. This feature, paired with phase detection autofocus, will ensure that your subject remains sharp and clear, even during fast-paced action shots. With these advancements, autofocus hunting, a common issue in previous models, should become a thing of the past. Audio upgrades for crystal clear sound. Another area where the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to shine is in its audio capabilities. The ID Pocket series has often been criticized for its limited microphone options, but it appears that DJI has listened to user feedback. The Osmo Pocket 4 will reportedly offer improved wireless microphone compatibility, allowing creators to capture high-quality, broadcast-level sound without the need for clunky external microphones or adapters. This upgrade is particularly beneficial for podcasters, vloggers, and anyone else who needs crystal-clear audio. Zoom features and flexible framing. Though rumors of optical zoom are still uncertain, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to feature improved digital zoom capabilities. This enhancement will allow for better image integrity and sharper focus when zooming in, giving creators more flexibility when framing their shots. especially in situations where they can't physically move closer to the subject. Battery life. And charging efficiency. Battery life is always a concern with portable cameras, but DJI is reportedly making significant improvements in this area. Thanks to a more efficient design and software optimizations, the Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to offer up to 200 minutes of continuous 4K recording on a single charge. Additionally, fast charging technology might allow you to recharge the device in as little as 25 minutes, which is perfect for creators who are constantly on the move. Durability for adventure filmmakers. For those who take their cameras on rugged adventures, the Pocket 4 is expected to offer enhanced durability. While full waterproofing may not be included, reports suggest that the camera will be dust and splash resistant, making it more reliable in harsh environments, from sandy deserts to misty forests. Pricing and availability. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to be released by late 2025, with pricing likely to start around $699 for the base model. A more comprehensive creator combo package may be available for around $799. While this is a price increase from previous generations, the enhanced features and improvements make the Pocket 4 a compelling choice for serious content creators. Conclusion. In summary, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a game-changing tool for mobile videographers. With its stunning slow-motion capabilities, advanced stabilization, AI-powered subject tracking, and improved audio and battery life, the Pocket 4 is poised to set a new standard in portable filmmaking. If you're a content creator looking for a compact, powerful camera that can handle any shooting situation, the Osmo Pocket 4 might be just what you've been waiting for.